What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackmon here with Paramount Property Investments. Right now, I'm looking at a deal on the west side of Akron, Ohio. Something came to mind. Now, this is for all of my people who are thinking about investing in real estate. One thing you want to keep in mind in regards to putting in a cash offer is making sure you have your proof of funds available, or at least the funds available to actually finance the property in which you're trying to purchase. Because if you don't, especially if there's a third party involved like a realtor or a broker, if you don't have those funds available, then you could potentially lose out on that deal, because a lot of times third parties, to protect their client's interest, they won't even consider your offer. Although they're supposed to present all offers to their clients, most of the time the sellers won't even consider your offer if you don't have those funds available. And that can be by way of bank statements or a retirement account or any type of documentation that shows that the funds are available for that transaction. So if you guys have any other questions in regards to buying, selling, or investing in real estate, feel free to give me a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.